It's Orlando. It's Universal, and we're here for Attraction Tickets Direct.
We're going to get a special sneak peek at Hagrid's Magical Creatures Motorbike Adventure, and we're going to take you with us.
Could it be? Could it be?
Hi, I'm Gary Blumenstein, Creative Director for Hagrid's Magical Creatures Motorbike Adventure. Today we're going to give you a sneak peek behind what our attraction is, and we've taken Hagrid, our beloved character from the Wizarding World of Harry Potter, and given him a brand new story, and that story entails riding Sirius Black's motorbike and sidecar on a journey to the edge of the Forbidden Forest.
And as good as that big swoop looks, there's another element that you can't see that's even more thrilling.
Okay folks, that was our sneak peek at Hagrid's Magical Creatures Motorbike Adventure. It looks absolutely amazing. The queuing area is superb. You're going to see so much detail, so much happening on this ride. We can't wait for it to open. That will be June 13. Don't miss it.